We are going to be solving the surface area of a pyramid, specifically a triangular pyramid. What makes this a triangular pyramid is that the base is a triangle. And then from the base, we have 1, 2, 3 triangles that come off of the base at a point, making this a pyramid. We're going to look specifically at the base. The base is an isosceles triangle. Remember that an isosceles triangle has 2 equal sides. And then it has a base over here that's a different size, which is 8 centimeters. We are going to be solving for surface area, so remember that surface area is the area of all the faces. If we look here, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4 faces. We'll keep that in mind as we solve for surface area. So since we're going to be solving for triangles, and it looks like we're going to be solving for 4 triangles, we need to remember that the formula is going to be base times height divided by 2. We're going to use that formula to solve all the triangles. So let's start with the base. So if we look here, the base again is an isosceles triangle. So our base on this particular one is going to be over here. So our base here is going to be 8. And then we're going to times that by the height. The height is in the middle over here. So our height for this one is going to be 2. And then we're going to divide that by 2. And 8 times 2 divided by 2 is 8. So I now know that this base is 8. Next, let's solve for the triangle that's looking at us. So this one, the base is 6 times the height. This is the height, the drop-down point that goes straight up and down, that's 10. And then we're going to divide that by 2, and that's going to be 30. Since this is an isosceles triangle, I know that this triangle over here is also going to be the same as this triangle up here. Because again, the base is 6, the height is still 10, divided by 2 is 30. So I now know that this front face and this side face is 30. All I have left now is this back face that's hidden. If we look here, the base for this one is going to be 8 times the height, which is still 10, divided by 2, and you get 40. All right, so we have that one in the back. So as you can see, we've solved for 1, 2, 3, 4 faces. So now we have to get the total surface area. So the last step is to add all of those together. We're going to do 8 plus 30 plus 30 plus 40. When we add all of those together, you get 108. It needs a label. Centimeters, area is always squared. So it's 108 square centimeters.